that my shark face makes sense.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome aboard the SharkAttack. My name is Angelina. I'll be your tour guide today. Driving us is our Captain Marty. The SharkAttack is fully equipped for your safety. Underneath each seat there is a life jacket. I'll let you know if you're going to need them. Starting off on the right way, up above in the sky is the CN Tower. For 30 years up until 2007, it was the world's tallest freestanding structure. Unfortunately, it has since lost that world record to the Tower of Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. As we pass by... We're just going to stop for a few minutes if you want to take pictures.
Did you go faster?
That was cool.
The CN Tower was built to sway. At the very tip, it can sway up to 3.5 feet. At the skypod, it will sway up to 1.5 feet. And at the main observation level, it will move about 6 inches. Around 30 times each year, including last Sunday, the CN Tower is struck by lightning. To the right of the tower, that shorter gold glass building with all the windows is Royal Bank Plaza. Royal Bank Plaza has the world record for windows with 14,000 windows. Each window contains 25 ounces of gold, or around $100 worth of gold per window. To the right of Royal Bank Plaza, that tall white tower with the black stripes around it is First Canadian Place. That's the tallest building in Canada with 72 floors. Buildings to the left is a more up-close view of Royal Bank Plaza, the building with all the gold glass windows. From here you can see how the windows fan out. And down on the right is the Red Path Sugar Refinery. The reason the Red Path Sugar Refinery has been so successful in the Toronto harbor is because it actually cleans the water it uses to make its white sugar. It takes in water from the lake, creates its sugar with it, and then deposits it back into the lake at a high temperature with a slightly sweet taste. As we pass by the refinery on the right, if you are so inclined, you can dunk a teacup into that area of the lake, drop in a tea bag, and have a hot cup of sweetened Lake Ontario tea in just seconds. And I will gladly take those too. On behalf of the Shark Attack, I'd like to thank you all again for riding and wish you a great day.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks. Have a great day.